Okay, we're ready to start our horse riding trip. How's your stirrups? Are they long enough?
I think they're good.
I think so. Yeah, looks good. Go ahead. You can use a rope to hit your horse, or you can put it in front of your saddle. Ready, go! Wow. Okay, next, Pav. Okay, Pav. Good. So how's your stirrups? Are they long enough?
Good.
Look good? Pull it. Or we can make it a little short or no?
It's good.
Looks good, yes. If you feel free, then it's good. Okay.
Hey, absolutely.
Okay, now I can take your photo.